I'm bored. Let's go do something else. Driving to tacos. It's like 40 degrees out.
It is 42 degrees out today. Not
Beautiful.
the nicest.
Beautiful weather.
It's not 85.
No.
Taco Libre is a company owned by two guys. Brought it here from Mexico City. So it's like, when I say authentic, like street tacos, it tastes like stuff that we got from authentic street taco vendors in Mexico.
Mm-hmm.
By far my favorite taco place in Minnesota.
They're so good.
So we're gonna go do that. I don't think it's warm enough to go find a beach in Minnesota. Not to mention beaches are closed right now. Yeah.
Well.
So today is Andrea's birthday. Happy birthday, Andrea.
Thanks, babe.
It's her 20th birthday again.
Yeah. So, when we made that video and we talked about how we were like, yeah, it'll just be for a little while and then we have this trip planned and hopefully we'll be able to go on that trip. Well, like 3 days after that, they closed the border for non-essential travel, so we had to cancel our trip to Puerto Vallarta. It would have been the third time we have been to Puerto Vallarta because we love it there. It's absolutely amazing. And we were really excited. We had like tons of videos planned and lots of stuff we were gonna do. We were gonna go diving, we were gonna go hiking, we were gonna go play with rescue puppies again, hang out on the beach. We were trying out a new hotel. So we don't get to do any of that. And the other cool thing was that I was gonna be there for my birthday. And I was really excited about that. But things are how they are. We're all basically self-isolating and quarantined right now, so we can't really go out and do much. So we're trying to kind of piecemeal together like a birthday day for me. So I got a present from Kyle and my family, and we're gonna get tacos from Taco Libre, which is like the closest we're gonna get in Minnesota. One of the closest we'll get in Minnesota to like authentic Mexican street tacos. Although that was the other thing we're gonna do. We're gonna do the tacos on the street and go do a tour of all that stuff. But yeah, so we were here to get Taco Libre tacos. We're gonna drink margaritas. We're gonna pretend we're laying out on the beach. It's gonna be super chill. Quarantine tacos. Go home and eat?
We're gonna go home and eat, I guess, so.
Or should we go to the beach?
Beach is gonna be 40 degrees and kind of cold and no silverware. Alright, let's get all the stuff unpacked and eat.
That's good. What do you miss most about Mexico today?
To start with, I had to work. Had to go in to the hospital, so.
Oh, you miss not having to work.
I like the fact that to us, Puerto Vallarta is kind of our take a week off.
That's like
totally
our
relax.
second home. Like it's our special place.
Mm-hmm.
It's special to us because it's just that awesome.
Mm-hmm.
And it was like one of our first places we went where we really got inspired to make videos because it was just so beautiful there that we were like, we have to show this. So one of the very first travel videos we did was filming in Puerto Vallarta.
Well, the first attempted travel video we did was the first year.
It was.
We thought we had a lot of stuff, but it turns out we had like 25 seconds worth of footage.
It's not great. The thing I miss most of all is just looking out at the ocean while the sun's setting. I need alcohol.
Lucky for you, we actually bought some pina colada mix, some Malibu, some strawberry margaritas, because that's my jam.
We gotta kick this up a notch. Paisley, we're trying to save the puppies. Back up. Back up. So anyways, one of the things that we were really excited to talk to you guys about and show you was our trip to SPCA Puerto Vallarta. Obviously, we can't go visit them, and we're really sad that we're not going to get to go out there this year, but we wanted to talk to you guys about them and kind of give you a rundown of who they are and what they're all about, so that if you're interested in making a donation or supporting a cause, you can contact SPCA Puerto Vallarta. I feel like even now it's especially important because the tourism has dropped a lot in Puerto Vallarta right now, so they can use all the help they can get.
Yep.
Follow the link in the description. They're amazing. So the very first time that we went to SPCA Puerto Vallarta was last year, and they were doing some really good stuff. So we met one of the volunteers in a Costco parking lot, and she drove us to the sanctuary, and it was amazing. It's a fully built out, you don't know the address, like they don't put the address on there because they want it to be private, but it's an entire beautiful shelter. We'll throw in like some clips in here so you can kind of see what it looks like, and it's a no-kill shelter, and they house mostly dogs and do medical treatment there, veterinary treatment. They have like the nicest facilities. The people are amazing. They were so welcoming and so like just like the friendliest people you could ever think. They were just, you know, happy to have people down there supporting their mission. Their goal is to increase spay and neuter programs in Puerto Vallarta, and to basically take, you know, homeless dogs out the street. And they work with people in USA and Canada, I think a lot in like California and Seattle, and in Canada, and they'll put them up on their website and find homes for them.
Well, and they definitely do bring in a lot of the pets for a lot of the other places in America. Like we got Paisley from a place called Secondhand Hounds, and they also
check them out too. That link will also be in the description.
Yeah, they have had plenty of Puerto Vallarta pups that I'm pretty sure came from this facility. So. And
we found puppies there that look just like these two, and we were like obsessed with them.
We had their doppelgangers that we were playing with.
So cute.
Well, anyways, it's been quite a birthday, I think, even though we weren't in Mexico to share it, but
I had fun.
It's a long day.
This is great. Thanks for watching. Donate to the SPCA Puerto Vallarta and Secondhand Hounds in honor of my birthday. It would mean the world to me if you did that.
Keep washing them hands.
Keep washing your hands. And wear masks in public, you guys. Come on.
We will catch you on the next one.
Catch you on the next one. Bye. Adios.